Hi guys, today I'll talk a bit about the Caladium, especially the corm, maybe only the corm. Now, these two here are Caladium's corm. I don't remember what kind of them, what's the name. Even if I remember, it's in Thai and the name is totally different. So I won't be able to tell you anyway. Now this is the whole corm. This is also the corm. Basically, this one used to have a shoot, but it rot because it was too wet, so it rot, and now there's a new shoot coming up. This one on the other hand is the whole corm. As you can see, there's many buds shooting up, new shoot. Okay, this corm, both of them in the past winter, it was too wet and soggy, and the weather wasn't helping either. It was cold, so it's not suitable for Caladium. So they decided to shed their leaf and stem, and that's basically what mostly happened here. If they are outside of a grow tent or condensation tent, yep. So that's what happened with these two. Now this one has been cut from the whole corm over here. Just imagine like this. This is the top part. Yep. This is the whole corm. Both of them were too wet, very soggy. So this, I left it outside for a day, air dry. Now I'll keep them outside. Just leave them somewhere dry, air dry them for a day or two more, and then you can replant these corms. Now this is the planting medium I would use. Basically, that is very well drained. It doesn't hold up a lot of moisture. It can hold moisture but not water, not a lot of water. So you could just kind of like place it on top of the planting medium, but and then just have the planting medium cover it up a bit more, just about 1/3 of the corm, to make it a bit stable, and then just water it once and then leave it somewhere, let's say under the tree or under the shed, maybe your garage, and just wait for them to shoot up new plant. And that is all. Very easy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.